Everyone gets a pineapple ring and a cherry when you make mini pineapple upside down cakes. Okay, now I bought a package of these Optima paper Tart Molds. And I've taken them out of the package and they really look pretty durable. Looks like they will hold a Coke batter okay. But I'm going to test them out. My husband's favorite cake is pineapple upside down cake. But I'm not too good about that flipping it over part. So I want to try these to make a pineapple upside down cake because these should be pretty easy to flip over. Of course, I don't know about these ridges, how that is going to work out. Okay, I'm starting out with a large can of pineapple slices. I've put them over here so they can drain really well, and a jar of maraschino cherries. Now my recipe makes 7 in my pan for this small oven. I only hold 6. I will have, one kind of left over. But I've taken my stick of butter and followed the marks to make a tablespoon each out of it. So I'm just going to put these in here. And I'm going to put them in the oven and let the butter melt, which should take, 30 seconds to a minute for that to happen. Okay, my butter has melted in each of these. And now I'm going to add a half a tablespoon of brown sugar to each of them. I'm going to pack it pretty tight and then just sprinkle it in there. Did you know that you can save videos, like, subscribe, and comment when you have a YouTube account? It's free. Kind of make sure they're kind of evenly spread out. I'm just going to put my pineapple slices, kind of center them up the best I can, and put a cherry in the middle. You make these little mini individual cakes, everybody gets the whole slice of pineapple and everybody gets the cherry. I put my butter and my sugar in here and beat it till it was creamy. Now I'm fixing to add an egg, and then I'm going to beat all of this until it's light and fluffy, which may take as long as 5 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to add half my flour, beat that for a little bit, and I've taken 1/4 cup and 1 tablespoon of reserved pineapple juice, and I've added vanilla flavoring to this. Now I'll beat in half my flour, mix that in, add my pineapple juice, beat that, and then add the rest of my flour, and then we're going to be ready to put the batter in the pans. Okay, I divided the batter evenly among these 7 cups, stirred the best I could, then took a small spatula and kind of spread it out. Now I'm going to put it in a 350-degree oven and bake it about 20 minutes. And I'm going to let these sit here on a wire rack for 5 minutes before I try to invert them. And then we're going to see how well these turned out. Okay, now for that magic moment. Let's try inverting these. Now, in a normal pan, I would have ran a knife around the edges to loosen it up. But since I've got these, I'm just going to kind of pull on them. And let's see what happens. Oh, I didn't leave it. It's not real straight, but it certainly came out wonderful. Now, I would say these are absolutely a success. Now what I really want to know, once this cools off, can I put it back in this for serving? Okay, let's see if we can get these back in here. Okay, absolutely. This is just going to be great. Got them back in. If I'd had a spatula to put them in, and if I'd let them completely cool, they would have probably gone right back in there just perfect. You can create a YouTube account by going to YouTube. In the top right sign, click in, click create an account. And then you choose for myself or to manage a business. When you sign into YouTube with your Google account, you can take advantage of many YouTube features. Like videos, save favorites, subscribe to channels, watch later, watch history, and report videos. Thank you so much for joining me today at Homemade Cooking in Texas. These are my favorite recipes, and I hope they will become yours. Now, if you enjoy these recipes, please like and subscribe so you can see more of these type recipes. We have been making a full-time living here on our organic farm since 1991. We need your support to continue our small family farm by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much.